Hey guys, it is December 20 and today I have a ruko, and this is one of the old rukos. As you can see on the R here, it have a curve. That was maybe not enough. There we go. It have a curve right there. The new one, however, I hope you can see that the new ruko have no curve, it's just a straight line on that R. So this is an old one, and today I will try and pick this. And as I have seen on many of these old ones, the bitting is quite flat. Come on, there we go. But it's still a lock. Oops, there we go. Let us put it in the vise and pick it. This is going counterclockwise, and that is maybe too much light. Okay, that doesn't work. What can we do there? Remove the light totally. Alright, that worked. I guess that will do. Alright, let's put a tension wrench in and see if we can rake it first. There we go. It was a little stuck there in the end, but we got it. Alright, let's see if we can SPP it. I have to take the camera a little bit over here so I can have my hand. Alright. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going back here. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it feels like number 3 might have something, but we need another pick here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe not. Let's reset and try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apparently not. I think I'll try another pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. It was number 1 that was stuck. So I can't gut this one, unfortunately. And I will show you why. Oops, it was a hole in my table. Now, this is an old system I haven't seen this on any other lock, but there is this tail piece. Oops, the light. And I don't have a follower that would be functional when there is a tail piece like that. So I can't take it apart simply because of that. But I'm pretty sure that this is those spool things, but it could also be barrel pins. Come on, get on there. There we go. Maybe. No. This is almost just as hard a fight as picking it. Come on. I hate these screws. That is not on. There we go. Just have to use a little bit of force and then they work. Alright. Let's get this on the tree. And I guess we put it right there. Whoops, that was a chair. Alright guys, 4 more to go. But that was all I have for today. So thanks for watching and have a good day.